So what we are going to see is how to add a column to the existing table. And what we are going to see how to delete a column from the existing table. Delete is drop a column. Drop a column. So both the things. So first of all, let us see the basic syntax, how we will add a column to the existing table. What is that? The syntax is alter table, table name, your table name, and add a column, column name, and data type. Okay. So let us consider now in vehicle, we need to add one more column. What can we add in vehicle? Number of seats. Number of seats. Integer. Integer. Will we put on numeric? No. Seat 1.5. No. No. Right? So now what we need to do? Add alter. First alter table name. What is table name? Vehicles. Add column. What column? Seats. Number of seats. Number of seats. Integer. And default value you can say 4. Any car you take, 4 will be there or 3 will be there. 8. 3 no. 4. So default, I can keep a default value. Default 3. 4. Okay. 4. Agreed. Default is 4. What we will do? We will try to insert one more. This one that is called a BMW. Then I will say BMW only. That fellow only. But I'll say this time blue. Black already got it. This is costly madana. 30. Okay. So now you are not giving any seats. So how many you should get? 4. Let us see. So you should see in a vehicle table. So what happened? Yes. For all of them 4 came. For new also 4 came. So what happened? While you are adding itself, you need to put a default value. Here it was not there. There we gave. So now here you can mention optional as a default value. Optional. That is a optional. Default value as a optional. So by default 6.
By default it is 4.
While you are inserting, you need to mention. So tomorrow you took Creta or Innova. You took Innova. What is that? Innova. Toyota. Black. So okay, no problem. But what we need to say? No, column number of seats. There you need to mention and specify 6. Now you go and see Mr. Vehicles table. That fellow will give you 6. Okay, you got your answer? Right. So from this, we have added a column with the default value. We can add a column data with our own value. We can override the value also. Very good question. Default value will be there. Default value will be 4. You said the default 4. Default 4. You don't mention also default is 4, madam. Default is 4. Default is for.
Mention default as 4.
Okay, if you don't mention default as 4, it will be null.
It takes none.
It takes null. It takes null. It takes null. Now I want to rename the column. I have added. Okay, by mistake, a name was wrong. So what I should say? Rename table, alter table, rename column, old name to old department name to department name. Okay, we can add our own example here so that we will also be perfect. So we have added. So that tomorrow you see, okay, we did this example in class, we will remember. Okay, that is not about only seeing a syntax, you will forget. You should have a live example so that you will forget. You will not forget. What happened here? Alter table, table name, rename, old column to new column. Okay, so now old column to new column. What happened? Rename column. Okay, number of seats. So now what we need to say? Rename column, number of seats. Two seats. Seats only. We'll say seats. Seating capacity. I'll say seating capacity. Okay. Done. Success. So you go here and specify by yes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You got the point what we are doing? Okay. Right? Alter table drop column. See, both ways we can do. See, now this particular column, what is this particular additions is this in Oracle, this is in Postgres. Both ways is correct only, but the syntax may bit vary from database to database. See, at the end of the day, in every home, dosa only. In dosa, you will put onion. In dosa, he will put carrot. Same only. For every dosa, holes will be there. Every query will work. Different database will have slight changes. Syntax is same. Okay, slight changes. So now what we have done? We have done a drop column. So what we'll do? We want to drop the column. In vehicles, I want to drop a column called seating cap. So now what we'll do? We'll add one more column and we will drop it. Okay. We'll add a number of seats again with the default 4. Yes, we have added. So now what we need to do? Drop column. So we should select first. We'll do select first. Yes, number of seats is there. Okay. So default and dropping y. Drop column integer also is not required. Yes, very good. So drop column number of seats. So done. From this, what did you understand? We can drop the column also. Purida. Na puride. See, you people need to practice, then only it will come.